If your commute looks like a flock, you're probably late. If your coffee looks like a seagull snack, you're in trouble. Welcome to Bird School. Birds are dinosaurs' stylish descendants. Technically speaking, they're living theropods. The smallest bird, the bee hummingbird, weighs less than a penny. The wandering albatross has the longest wingspan, over 11 feet. Perfect for globe-trotting without flapping much. Some birds use tools and solve puzzles, smart as toddlers with feathers. Crows, parrots. Feathers evolved for insulation first, then for flight. Think multifunctional design. Migratory birds navigate with stars, Earth's magnetic field. Crazy good memory. Bonus, more than 10,000 bird species exist. Endless, weird, and wonderful. Talons, songs, beaks. That's birds in under a minute.